Tata Motors to delist its DVR shares and issue its ordinary shares to the DVR shareholders. What? Confused? Well, let me break it up for you. An ordinary share represents ownership in the company. They entitle shareholders to have a proportionate share in profits and even voting. तो अगर कोई कंपनी कुछ शेयर्स इशू कर रही है with a reduced or no voting rights, its share price become a little lower. These shares are called differential voting rights. In India, there are 5 companies which have issued DVR shares along with their ordinary shares. Tata Motors is the most famous one. अब क्वेश्चन ये उठता है कि why would a company issue DVRs? पहला रीजन, promoters or founders of a company to retain control over the company. They can maintain a higher percentage of voting power even if they hold a relatively smaller percentage of the total equity. Tata Motors ने अपने DVRs को इशू किया था in 2008 as part of a right issue with the objective of raising funds for overseas investments. तो अब क्वेश्चन है कि what are they doing now? Companies delisting DVRs and merging them with ordinary shares. So far, every 10 shares of DVRs, the DVR shareholders will get 7 shares of Tata Motors ordinary shares. This transaction will take 12 to 15 months to complete. So in case you want to lock in for arbitrage, you have enough time. अभी पूरा process आखिर किया क्यों जा रहा है? So the management is saying that reduced share price of DVR understates their market cap. The ratio at which the transaction is happening is value accretive to both DVR shareholders as well as ordinary shareholders in the long run. This simplifies their shareholding structure as well with lesser administration of maintaining 2 separate classes of shares. तो आखिर इन कुछ कंपनियों ने DVR इशू किया क्यों है? First reason, there was a change in regulations where there were restrictions put to introduce such shares. Second, lack of clarity and hence adoption. And third, liquidity gets divided. I hope you understood this concept. What do you think? Is it a good move? Comment section में आकर हमें बताओ ना. इस तरह के और वीडियोस देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब टू कोटक सिक्योरिटीज यूट्यूब चैनल and follow us on all our social media platforms. Thanks for watching this video.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.